A very good morning, my dear students. So, children, today I'm again back with you. Okay, after your exam, we are meeting for the first time in online classes. Okay, children, so I'm Mrs. Charan, and today in moral science, we will going to do the new lesson. So, children, before that, I'm going to tell you a very short story. Okay, this story is about an old man. Once, what happened? There was an old man and he was crossing the road, but he was blind. There was a little boy also who saw this man, old and blind man, how he was crossing the road. So this little boy, quickly he went to him and he hold his hand and helped him to cross the road. Okay, so this was the story. What have you seen in the story, children? The main and the good thing about this little boy? Yes, kindness. What have you seen? Kindness. Kindness shown by this little boy towards an old man who was blind. Okay, so now come to the story. Lesson number 6, the ant and the dove. The ant and the dove. Lesson 6, page number 26. Have you all taken it out, children? Yes. Take it out, page 26, lesson 6, the ant and the dove. So, children, again, what will I do? I will quickly read the story and the warming up part of this lesson. And after that I'm going to explain. So till the place we will do today, till that place I will read. Okay, warming up part. When you do something to help someone, that is called kindness. Kindness is a virtue that helps us to live peacefully. Have you ever been kind to someone? Has anyone else been kind of you? Read the story to find out more about kindness. Okay, now the story. Once there was an ant walking away on a hot sunny day. It felt thirsty and wanted to drink water. Now suddenly it saw the river and decided to drink water from it. The area near the river was very slippery. Children, are you all listening? Yes? Okay, now let's see what happened after that. As the ant went forward to drink water, it slipped and fell into the river. She cried for help. She was drowning. So, children, now come to the story. Okay, so now let's see what happened. Once there was an ant. Now, who was there, children? Ant. Have you all seen ant? Yes, in your house? Yeah. So, this ant, it is what? It is a very small insect. Ant. So, now what happened? On a hot day, an ant was walking. It felt thirsty. Now, who felt thirsty, children? It was an ant. Whenever you feel thirsty, you ask your mama, Mama, give me water. Huh? Now, in the same manner, the ant was thirsty, but there was no one to give water to ant. So now, ant has to find water from where she can get water. So, ant was thirsty and wanted to drink water. Suddenly, what happened? Suddenly, it saw the river and decided to drink water from it. So, what did ant saw? A river. And what was in the river, children? Yes, water. And ant decided to drink water from it. Now, what happened? The area near the river, it was very slippery. So the area was very slippery. The area that was near the river was very slippery. As the ant went forward to drink water, what happened? As the ant went forward to drink water, it slipped and fell into the river. The poor ant, because the area was slippery, because of that, the ant slipped and fell into the river. She cried for help. Who? The little ant cried for help. She was drowning. She was drowning in the river, and we have to see, is there anyone who can come and help the ant? Okay, this we will see tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we'll see that who comes to help this little ant. Okay, okay, once again let's go through the same. Okay, so there was an ant, and ant was feeling very very thirsty, and and during summer days, it was summer. Now in summer we feel hot, okay, and summer we feel very thirsty, but not in winter. So we drink very less water na, but during summer, because of the sweat na, the whole day we sweat na, and because of that we feel thirsty. So what happened? It was summertime only. It was very hot, and the ant was feeling thirsty. So suddenly, what she saw the river, and she decided that she will drink water from the river. But the area was, how was the area, children? Near the river, it was very, very slippery. But because ant was feeling very thirsty, ant went forward to drink water. And what happened? The main thing, it slipped and fell into the river. She cried for help, but we will see tomorrow. She cried for help, and because she was drowning. So she cried, somebody is there who can help me. Okay. Now the next part of it we will see tomorrow. So children, this was all about the lesson today. Okay, so let's uh, spell those words, some difficult words. Okay, so you all can spell these words with me. Okay, first it is kindness. KINDNESS, kindness. Then next is peacefully. Peacefully. PEACE, peace. FULLY, fully. Peacefully. Now come to the next one. Walking. Walk. 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 ING. Children, remember one thing, whenever there is a big word, you can break that word. Okay, for example, walking. Walking is a full word. You can break it into two halves. W-A-L-K, walk, and then I-N-G, ing, walking. Now the next is sunny. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. Then suddenly. Suddenly. Okay, S-U-D-D-E-N, sudden, L-Y-Ly, suddenly. Now this word you can break it into three parts. For example, S-U-D, sud, D-E-N, then L-Y-Ly, suddenly. Now the next is area. Area, how can we spell? Which sound is coming? A. Area. R-E-A, area, area. Now, slippery. Now, slippery. S-L-I-P-P-E-R-Y, slippery. Okay, now come to the next one. Cried. C-R-I-E-D, cried. Then, river. R-I-V-E-R, river. Forward. F-O-R-W-A-R-D, forward. Slipped. S-L-I-P-P-E-D, slipped. Then the last word is drowning. Last word is drowning. D-R-O-W-N-I-N-G. This is drowning. So all together, children, they are how many words? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. They are 14 words. Altogether they are 14 words. So these words, children. Okay, so for your homework, children, what will you do? First go through this lesson, not the whole lesson, till the place I taught you. Okay, page 26. Go through warming up part also, and then come to the difficult words. The way I taught you how to pronounce them. Okay, pronounce at home. At home also. Okay, pronounce at home, and this is your homework, and learn how to, and learn their spellings also. The way to pronounce and their spellings. Okay, children. Okay, so now this was all about today, children. I hope you all have understood and you all have enjoyed the first part of the. So now, children, you have some written homework also, that you have to do it in your which copy? Moral science copy. You will write homework, topic, the ant and the dove, lesson number 6, and you have to mention date also. So today is 5th July 2021. Okay, so now first question is A. Fill in the blanks. Okay, now the A part is the ant was dash on a hot sunny day. Okay, the ant was dash. Now what will come in the blank? Yes, The ant was walking. Now tell me, how do you spell walking? You will write W A L K I N G. Walking. I told you, na children, if the word is big, you have to break it. Walk, W-A-L-K, walk. Then ing, I-N-G, ing. Yes, so who was walking on a hot sunny day? It was ant. Now B of A part. The ant dashed and fell into the river. So, ant, what happened to ant? The ant slipped. The ant slipped because the area was slippery. The area was slippery, so ant slipped and fell into the river. So now how do we spell slipped? The spelling of slipped is S-L-I-P-P-E-D. Now children, the next question is, take the right answer. What you have to do here? You have to take the right answer. Now for each question you have been given two options, out of which one option is correct and one is wrong. So you have to take the right option, right answer. A. The dash felt thirsty. The dash felt thirsty. Who felt thirsty? Now the option is number 1, ant. Number 2, dove. Number 2, dove. Your answer is ant. The ant felt thirsty. So you will not write in the blank here, but you will just stick it in the box, ant. So children, this was page number 1. This was page 1. Now let's come to page 2. Okay. Now in page 2, 4, B, the ant fell into the dash. The ant fell. Who fell? Ant fell into the dash. Now where? Where did the ant fell? Your options, again two options I have given. Number 1, pond. 2, river. 2 is river. Now if you know the story, you will answer, and if you do not know, then you are not able to answer. Okay, so for that, every time you have to listen very carefully when ma'am teaches you. Understand? So now option 1, pond. Option 2, river. So the ant fell into the river. The ant fell into the river. You will going to take option 2, that is river. Okay. Now exercise C. Learn these difficult words. Write each words 2 times. Write each words 2 times. Okay. Okay. Now first is kindness. Okay, this we have already done, but now in homework also you have to write it down, these words. First is kindness. How can we spell kindness? Kindness. Now number 2, peacefully. Peacefully. Now here this side you have to write these words. Okay, one more time, because one time we have already written. Now one more time, one time you will write, so it will become 2 times. Then number 3 is walking. How can we spell walking? W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking. Now 4, thirsty. 4 is thirsty. THIRSTY, thirsty. Fifth, suddenly. Fifth is suddenly. SUDDENLY, suddenly. Six, decided. DECIDED, decided. Then seven, slipped. Who slipped? Then slipped. Where? Into the river. SLIPPED. Eight, river. Eight, river. Nine, okay, river. How can we spell river? The spelling of river is RIVER. Number 9, cried. CRIED, cried. 10, drown. DROWN, drown. Okay, DROWN, drown. So children, this is page 2 and only, okay, page 1 and 2 you have to do it in your moral science notebook. Okay children, have you all understood the lesson? The half portion we have done it today, and tomorrow we will going to do the next part of this lesson. I think you all have understood, and tomorrow again we all will be meeting, and today I will do the second part of it. We'll see who came to help the ant. Okay children, so now this much is enough for today, and tomorrow we'll continue the same lesson, that is lesson number 6, the ant and the dove, and the second part of this lesson. Till then, goodbye, take care, stay home and stay safe.